How to install Chatgpt in your Windows. Hey everybody! If you want to use Chatgpt on Windows like an application, here are a few ways to install it. So since there is no official WhatsApp desktop application used, a way is you can follow this method. First of all, we can open up Chrome and use Chatgpt in a browser shortcut instead. So go ahead and type in chatgpt.com and go ahead and open it up. After that, once we do so, what we can do is we can just go over and sign in with our OpenAI account. Look out for the three dot option in the top and go ahead and click on it. And basically go ahead and scroll down, look out for cache, save and share, and look out for the option called create shortcut. Click on it and select the option for create, and the shortcut will be created. You can just go over and access the shortcut on your desktop. There we go. This is one of the methods. Apart from that, we can use Edge web application as well. So for that, we can open up Edge instead of the browser. And there also we can type in chatgpt.com. So type in chatgpt.com and hit enter. Or we can go to chat.openai.com and look out for the three dot and look out for settings or more tools, and basically go ahead and create a shortcut for our ChatGPT application here, just like we did on Chrome. And there are third-party ChatGPT desktop applications. Some developer-made desktop wrappers for ChatGPT. You can look out for it on GitHub or Microsoft stores. But usually these are only the method available to officially use Chatgpt as an application on Windows for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.